Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Higginsville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering free Wi-Fi, this Missouri hotel is located conveniently off Interstate 70. A games room with a billiards table and a pinball machine is featured on site. A free grab-and-go breakfast is provided each morning. All rooms at the Super 8 Higginsville are equipped with a refrigerator, microwave and tea and coffee making facilities. A cable TV is included in every room. A business center with printing facilities and high-speed internet access is offered on the property. Free parking is offered to every guest of Higginsville Super 8. Central Missouri State University is 17 miles from this hotel. The I-70 Speedway is 12 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.